Hi Teddy. How was your day today? I had a bit of a tough day at school. We had a challenging class, and it was really hard for me at first, but I tried my best, and I'm proud of that. Can I tell you more about it? But first, how are you, Teddy?
Hi MIA. Thanks for asking. I had a mixed day too. I faced some challenges at school, but I'm home now and feeling safe. Of course, you can tell me about your experience. Maybe you can help me, and I can help you. Let's do this together. What's on your mind?
Teddy, today was really hard for me. Some kids were mean to me at school. They laughed at me, and I didn't know what to do. So I went and sat in the corner by myself. Then my teacher came over, but she talked to me really slowly, like I didn't understand anything. That made me feel even worse. I wish people would just treat me like everyone else. I don't like feeling left out or like I'm not smart. Teddy, have you ever felt that way?
Oh, MIA, I get you. That happens to me too sometimes. People talk to me super slowly, like I don't get it. You know what I do? I just tell them, calmly, that I just need a little space and time to figure things out, and that's okay. And hey, if things ever get really rough, don't forget to reach out to your friends or people you trust, and I'm always here for you. Yellow heart if you'd like. Maybe we can even find some new friends who understand you better. We can learn and have fun together.
Thanks, Teddy. I really vibe with you. I just wish making friends was easier for me. It's like I find it hard, and people kind of find me hard too.
Yes, that's the spirit, MIA. We've got this. Together, we can handle anything. Let's go make some magic happen.